A very handy feature if you teach multiple sections of the same class and you want to keep them all separate, which I like to do with a emergency remote learning. It's not as big of a deal. However, I think in classrooms it would be a different deal, just because I think it's easier to differentiate if you have them in specific classes. So you can copy a class, but there's no place here to copy your class. So what you actually have to do is you have to go back to all your classes. And then from there, you can get the little 3 dots right here on the very right corner. And you have a choice to move, edit, copy, or archive. So archiving, at the end of the school year, you can archive your class. You can still have access to all your posts for reusing, but archiving is a good idea. But here's the one that's really fun, is that you can copy your class. So if I click that, I can click a copy of Test Class 101. You can change the section and you can copy it. You can rename the class as well. I just didn't right here, but you can. And then you can create its own, you can have your own theme for this class. So I can go into this class after it finishes loading. Oh, it's still creating the class. I need to be patient. But then once it's there, if you go into your settings, that would be where you can rename it if you want to and change all of those options that we talked about earlier. It will create its own meet code for that class and other things, but you can create your own theme or you can keep all the themes the same. There you go, and you can generate a new meet link code. So copying a class.